Today, I am showing you exactly how to use your Cricut to cut wood using the knife blade. This video is everything you need to know, from setup to cutting, and even a fun way to use a wood cutout. Stick around, the full tutorial is coming right up. You are watching Creative Ramblings, where I share simple, inspiring projects every week. Today is another Cricut video, walking you through this project step by step. Let's learn how to cut wood with a Cricut using the knife blade. Do you have Cricut? Let me know which machine you have down in the comments. Let's talk about supplies first. Cricut can cut a few types of wood. You can purchase wood from Cricut in a variety of colors and finishes, or you can buy your own wood. This is the route that I recommend. Head to the craft store and pick up a sheet of basswood in either 1/16 of an inch or 1/32 of an inch. This long panel of 1/16 inch basswood I got for just a few dollars at Joann. They come in a lot of different sizes and even different shapes. You will also need a strong grip mat, that's the purple one, and some masking tape or painter's tape. The key to cutting wood is using the knife blade. This blade is compatible with the Cricut Maker series. You unpackage it and load it into clamp B. Now before we cut, we have to trim this piece of basswood down to size so it fits on the mat. This is very thin, so a sharp craft knife will do the trick. Just score it on both sides using a ruler and bend it until it breaks. If needed, you can sand down any edges that are a little rough. Now when using the knife blade for the first time, you will be prompted to calibrate it. Or you can follow this method and calibrate it before you start your project. Just follow the prompts, it'll only take a few minutes. Now on a blank canvas in Design Space, we can create a word to cut out. You can cut just about any design out of wood. Some very intricate cuts may be a bit much, but I have yet to run into any issues with words. I'm using a pre-made design that reads welcome and has 2 layers. The bottom layer will be cut from wood and the top layer iron on. This is just one way to dress up your custom wood pieces. Once I have the right size, I can select my Maker 3 machine and click Make It. On this screen, I want to make sure the layers look right. The top one is wood and the bottom is iron on. I need to make sure that the iron on is mirrored, and I want to rotate the wood layer to match how it'll be situated on my mat. Then it's time to select the first material. You can see when you select basswood, there are 2 options. I'm using the 1/16 inch wood for this project. If you have not calibrated your knife blade, a note will pop up here reminding you to do that. You'll also have a reminder to move your star wheels. Once the machine is ready, it's time to secure the wood to the mat. Be sure to line up the wood on your mat exactly how it's shown on your screen. Use the grid lines to help guide you. Then secure all the sides with painter's tape or masking tape. When the cut is complete, you'll see a notice on your screen to check the cut before unloading. This is very important. If you unload and try to recut, the lines won't match up. So if your wood did not cut all the way through, now is the time to recut to make sure you get a nice, clean, smooth finish. Once the wood is cut, we can cut the decorative iron-on for the top. Make sure to switch out the knife blade for your regular blade for this step and move the star wheels back in place. Pulling the wood off the mat, we see a beautiful, clean cut. I just need to weave the iron on and we can put this project together. I'm painting the wood with a white chalk paint, letting it dry, and then adding the patterned iron-on to the top. Adding iron-on to wood is my favorite way to make a wood sign or any wood decor. Watch this video up above for a full tutorial on the process. You could also cut both layers out of wood and paint or stain them in different colors. This would give you a beautiful finished look. This welcome sign is part of a wall hanging I made. I wanted the word welcome in just the right size and I couldn't find it in the store. So it made so much sense just to make my own. You can watch that full video right up above. I just walked you through how to cut wood using a Cricut with your knife blade. I hope you learned something today. If you still have questions, comment below and I'll try my best to answer them. If you like this video and want to see more simple, inspiring projects, consider subscribing to Creative Ramblings. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.